What's up, everybody? I haven't done a home theater video in a while, so I figure it's time for an update. Work has really slowed down in the home theater because we got it to a point now where we can enjoy it, watch movies and things like that. But then at the end of last year, Christmas was coming, so we decided to stop everything on the theater and just concentrate on family and Christmas and things like that. Now my wife and I have got some pretty ambitious financial goals, so we're actually going to hold tight with the theater for a pretty good while and get all of our finances straight. Stay tuned to the end of the video to see the screen in action. We'll start by looking at the massive 160-inch screen, but also look at both walls to the right and left of the screen. I installed Quiet Wall from Home Depot for sound absorbing and cuts down the echo in the room, but what I didn't realize is how much light it absorbs from the screen and really makes the screen come out and look a whole lot better. The carpet we also got from Home Depot, had it installed by them, and if you look all the way up to the top of the screen, you see the ceiling has some reflection. Still have a lot of work to do there. Looking from the screen back towards the snack bar, the chairs that we bought from Amazon, did a video on those. Now guys, let me tell you a secret. You want a happy wife? Get a popcorn maker. They're not that expensive and it makes awesome popcorn. My wife loves it. We haven't done much in the snack bar. We have plenty of room. Probably gonna do some type of 50s style table and chairs to go along with the seats that we have and the actual snack bar. We've also found it's a great study area. AV closet and our stainless steel table from Amazon that we use to prepare the popcorn. Cheap popcorn maker. We will upgrade that one day. And then all the way to the snack bar. The AV closet's kept cool with an electronic fan, intake in the door, an exhaust in the wall. AV closet is a mess. Has plenty of room for upgrades, but very much a work in progress. When I started on the snack bar, I cut the wall out so you can see the screen. It's 7 foot long. I didn't think about a countertop. Thank goodness I found a Husky toolbox stainless steel top is what the countertop actually is. Very cheap, only about $100 bucks. It works just great. Now let's take a look at the screen. My son eating pizza, watching a SpaceX launch. Incredible color from the projector. Many people come over, I don't even tell them it's a DIY screen. They can't believe the HD. A lot of people think it's 4K when it's not even a 4K projector. It's a 1080p. You know, with a fabric screen that we made out of spandex. And the next picture is for scale. My daughter on the left, she's 5'10". So that gives you an idea how big the screen is watching another SpaceX launch. Enough talk, now let's watch some video.
Show me the one whose safety deemed such destruction.
You know this is no place for a child.
Wherever I go, he goes.
So I've heard.
This is the way.
Well, thank you guys for watching. I can't tell you how much my family loves this theater. It's definitely worth the money. It's a lot of work. We spend tons of time up here together. As a matter of fact, my parents are coming over tonight. We're going to watch a movie. It's just like you're at the movie theater. You got the popcorn, tastes awesome. You got the popcorn smell. You got the sound. Now, I know you can't hear the bass in the trailer that I showed or in any of the other videos, but the sound is incredible. The cheap DIY screen is incredible. I can't say enough about the budget projector that I bought. And if you're thinking about doing this, do it. Takes a little bit of time to plan, but you can do it. Feel free to ask me any questions in the comments. This is Wes telling you to keep your money in your pocket by doing it yourself.